how to get Apollo Group TV on Samsung Smart TV. Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can get Apollo Group TV on Samsung Smart TV. So for that, if you want the tutorial of anything such like that, just like that, so just go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT how to get, just search this on ChatGPT. Here you can see method 1, installing from Samsung App Store. So this is the method you can follow. The method 2, using a streaming device, for example Amazon, Fire Stick, Roku, etc. And the third one is using screen mirror or casting. So the fourth method is using an APK Android package kit. And here you can see there are 4 methods that you can get Apollo Group TV app on Samsung Smart TV. So now we are checking the first method. So the first method is installing from the Samsung App Store. So the first step is turn on your Samsung Smart TV. The second one is press the home button on your remote control to access the Smart Hub. The third one is navigate to app section. The fourth one is search for Apollo Group TV using the search function. The fifth one is if the app is available, select it and then click on install. The availability depends on your country. And the sixth one is once the app is installed, you can open it and log in with your Apollo Group TV credentials. So this is the first method. You can use the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fourth one is the last final. So these are the methods you can use. You can just simply use the first one if it's applicable, and you will get your required result. So this is the way you can get Apollo Group TV app on Samsung Smart TV.